Elon Musk's journey with Tesla is a story of vision, perseverance, and groundbreaking innovation. From humble beginnings to becoming the driving force behind one of the most successful electric vehicle companies in the world, Musk has transformed Tesla into a name synonymous with high-performance electric cars and cutting-edge technology. This video delves into how Musk built Tesla from scratch, turning a small startup into a global force that has reshaped the automotive industry and paved the way for a sustainable future. Tesla's impact extends beyond electric cars. It has become a symbol of Musk's audacious ambition to revolutionize the world through innovation. The company has achieved things that many thought were impossible, from creating long-range electric cars to building a vast network of supercharger stations. Musk's vision for Tesla goes beyond just making electric cars. It is about pushing the boundaries of what is possible in energy production, storage, and even space exploration. In this journey, Musk has encountered numerous challenges, some that almost led to Tesla's demise. However, his tenacity, foresight, and willingness to take risks have allowed Tesla to thrive, and in doing so, Elon Musk has transformed not only the electric vehicle market but the entire automotive industry. Early life and influences. Before Elon Musk became synonymous with Tesla, SpaceX, and Neuralink, his life was shaped by a number of factors that would eventually fuel his entrepreneurial spirit. Born in Pretoria, South Africa, Musk showed a fascination with technology and entrepreneurship from a young age. He was an avid reader and spent much of his childhood reading books on science, technology, and engineering. Musk's early life was not without challenges. He was bullied as a child and faced many struggles in his formative years. However, these experiences seem to have instilled in him a deep sense of determination. By the time he was a teenager, Musk was already tinkering with computers, teaching himself programming, and building his own computer games. In the late 1990s, Musk's journey as an entrepreneur began with his co-founding of Zip2, a software company that provided business directories and maps for newspapers. This was Musk's first taste of the tech industry, and it wasn't long before he sold Zip2 for nearly $300 million. This marked the beginning of his rise as a tech entrepreneur. However, it wasn't until Musk's move to the United States and his enrollment at Stanford University that his vision for sustainable energy and technology began to take shape. Musk was determined to find ways to address the world's reliance on fossil fuels and create a cleaner, more sustainable future. This would eventually lead him to co-found Tesla, but the path to Tesla's success was not an easy one. The birth of Tesla. The founding of Tesla was not a typical startup story. While Musk is often credited as the founder of the company, he was not part of the original team. Tesla Motors, now Tesla Incorporated, was founded in 2003 by engineers Martin Eberhard and Martar Penning, who aimed to prove that electric cars could be better than gasoline-powered cars. However, it was Musk's vision and involvement that would ultimately bring the company to prominence. In 2004, Elon Musk joined Tesla as an investor and chairman of the board after leading the company's series of funding round. Musk's financial backing and entrepreneurial experience gave Tesla the resources it needed to pursue its ambitious goals. Musk was not just an investor, however, he became actively involved in the company's direction, providing strategic guidance and a vision for the future of electric vehicles. Musk's involvement with Tesla grew over time, and he soon became the company's CEO. Under his leadership, Tesla would embark on a mission to create a high-performance electric car that could compete with traditional gasoline-powered vehicles. This vision would take several years to materialize and face numerous obstacles along the way, including financial difficulties, technological hurdles, and industry skepticism. The vision for electric vehicles. Elon Musk's vision for Tesla was clear from the beginning. He wanted to create electric vehicles that were not only environmentally friendly but also desirable and functional. At the time, the electric car market was almost non-existent, and most people associated electric vehicles with slow, unattractive, and impractical cars. Musk believed that in order to make electric vehicles mainstream, they needed to be fast, stylish, and capable of long-range driving. He envisioned a future where electric cars would be a viable alternative to traditional gasoline-powered vehicles, and Tesla's cars would be at the forefront of that transformation. Musk was also deeply motivated by the idea of reducing global carbon emissions and creating a sustainable future for the planet. The initial response to Tesla's ambitious goals was skeptical. Many industry experts believed that electric cars could never replace gasoline-powered cars, particularly in terms of range and performance. But Musk remained resolute in his vision and was determined to prove the doubters wrong. The development of the Tesla Roadster, the company's first production car, would be the first major step in making Musk's vision a reality. Overcoming early obstacles. The journey to success was far from smooth for Elon Musk and Tesla. In fact, the company faced several major challenges in its early years, both in terms of technology and finances. These obstacles tested Musk's resolve and pushed the limits of what was considered possible in the automotive industry. One of the primary challenges was developing electric vehicle technology that could compete with traditional gasoline-powered cars. At the time, the electric vehicle market was relatively underdeveloped, with many people skeptical of the practicality and performance of electric cars. To overcome this, Musk and Tesla's engineers had to create a high-performance electric car that would rival the capabilities of established automotive brands. This meant overcoming significant challenges in battery technology, range, and performance. Another challenge was securing funding. Tesla was a new company with a bold vision, but it required substantial capital to bring its products to market. In the early stages, Tesla struggled to secure investors, and many potential backers were reluctant to invest in an unproven, high-risk venture. However, Musk's reputation as a successful entrepreneur, combined with his relentless drive to bring his vision to life, eventually attracted the funding Tesla needed to keep going. During this time, Musk was also faced with the growing pressure of being both the investor and the CEO. As the company faced numerous setbacks, including delays in production and challenges in battery development, Musk had to navigate a delicate balance between staying true to his vision and addressing the financial realities of running a startup. The Roadster launch. In 2008, Tesla launched its first production vehicle, the Tesla Roadster. This all-electric sports car was the first step in Musk's plan to revolutionize the automotive industry. The Roadster had a range of 245 miles per charge, a groundbreaking achievement at the time. It was also fast, accelerating from 0 to 60 miles per hour in under 4 seconds, which helped prove that electric cars could be high-performance vehicles as well. However, the Roadster's launch was not without its challenges. Tesla faced significant production issues, including delays in manufacturing and quality control problems. The company was also struggling with cash flow and had to rely on a series of financial injections to keep the project going. Despite these challenges, the Roadster generated a great deal of attention in the media, and it was hailed as a breakthrough in the electric vehicle space. The Roadster's success, however, was not immediately profitable. Tesla lost money on every car produced, and the company faced intense scrutiny from both investors and the public. Musk was under pressure to prove that his vision for electric vehicles was viable. But despite the financial losses and production struggles, the Roadster served as a proof of concept that electric vehicles could be desirable, functional, and high-performance. The recession and Tesla's survival. In 2008, the financial crisis hit the global economy hard, and Tesla was not immune to its effects. With the recession causing a significant downturn in the automotive industry, Tesla found itself in a precarious position. The company was running low on funds, and production was lagging. At this point, many investors began to question whether Tesla could survive. However, Musk's unwavering commitment to the company played a crucial role in Tesla's survival. He personally invested his own money into the company to keep it afloat. In 2008, after Tesla had burned through most of its initial funding, Musk used the last of his funds to keep the company alive, even putting his own financial future on the line. This act of personal sacrifice was a defining moment for Musk and Tesla. It showed not only Musk's dedication to the company, but also his belief in the long-term potential of electric vehicles. With Musk's personal investment, Tesla was able to weather the storm and keep its doors open during one of the toughest times in its history. By 2009, Tesla had secured a $465 million loan from the U.S. Department of Energy, which helped keep the company operating through the recession. This funding allowed Tesla to continue developing new models, including the Model S, which would become the cornerstone of the company's success in the years to come, expanding Tesla's portfolio. As Tesla grew, so did its lineup of vehicles. After the success of the Roadster, Musk and the team at Tesla set their sights on producing a more affordable and practical electric vehicle that could appeal to a broader market. This would eventually lead to the introduction of the Model S, which would go on to revolutionize the electric vehicle industry. The Model S, which was launched in 2012, was Tesla's first luxury sedan, and it represented a major leap forward in both design and technology. The car was not only sleek and stylish, but also offered impressive range and performance. It could travel up to 370 miles on a single charge, a feat that had not been achieved by any electric vehicle before. The Model S's success marked a turning point for Tesla. It showed that electric vehicles could not only compete with traditional vehicles but could outperform them in many areas, such as acceleration and handling. The car also introduced several cutting-edge technologies, such as Tesla's Autopilot system, which allowed the car to drive itself under certain conditions. Following the Model S, Tesla introduced the Model X, a luxury SUV with falcon wing doors and cutting-edge safety features. This was followed by the release of the Model 3, a more affordable electric sedan aimed at the mass market. The Model 3 became a game-changer for Tesla, making electric cars accessible to a broader range of consumers and significantly increasing Tesla's market share. These new vehicles were not just important in terms of product expansion, but also in terms of Tesla's strategy to accelerate the adoption of electric vehicles worldwide. By offering a range of options, ranging from high-end luxury vehicles to more affordable mass-market models, Tesla was able to appeal to a wider audience and establish itself as the leader in the electric vehicle market. The role of Autopilot and AI. One of the most innovative features of Tesla's vehicles is the Autopilot system, a form of advanced driver assistance that allows Tesla cars to navigate roads and highways with minimal human input. The system uses cameras, radar, and machine learning algorithms to understand the environment around the car and make decisions in real time. The development of Autopilot was a significant milestone for Tesla, as it represented a step toward fully autonomous vehicles. While the technology is not yet fully autonomous, Tesla's cars have become known for their advanced self-driving capabilities. Over time, Tesla has refined the Autopilot system, and it now includes features such as automatic lane keeping, adaptive cruise control, and the ability to change lanes on highways. The development of Autopilot is part of Musk's larger vision to transform not just the electric vehicle industry, but also the broader transportation landscape. By integrating AI and autonomous driving into Tesla's cars, Musk is aiming to create a future where self-driving vehicles are the norm, reducing accidents and improving efficiency on the roads. While the public's reception of Autopilot has been mixed, some people embrace the technology while others are concerned about its safety. The system represents a crucial step in Tesla's mission to revolutionize the transportation sector. Musk believes that autonomous driving technology has the potential to drastically reduce road accidents, improve traffic flow, and reduce the environmental impact of driving. Gigafactories and production scaling. One of the most ambitious and groundbreaking parts of Elon Musk's strategy for Tesla's growth was the development of the company's gigafactories. Tesla's vision for the future of electric vehicles depended on creating an affordable, scalable solution for producing the batteries and electric vehicles that would power their expansion. The idea behind the gigafactories was to not only scale production but also to significantly reduce the cost of batteries, the key component of electric vehicles. The first gigafactory was opened in 2016 in Nevada, and it was designed to produce lithium-ion batteries at a massive scale alongside the assembly of Tesla's electric cars. The factory, which is one of the largest buildings in the world by footprint, produces batteries for both Tesla's electric vehicles and its energy storage products. The goal was simple: build an efficient, high-volume production facility to meet the growing demand for electric cars while significantly lowering the cost of battery production. Over time, Tesla has expanded its production capabilities across the globe with multiple gigafactories in Shanghai, Berlin, and Austin. These gigafactories have been crucial in allowing Tesla to scale production of its electric vehicles and energy products, ensuring the company can meet the ever-growing demand for electric transportation. However, scaling production has not come without its challenges. The early days of the Gigafactory were marked by production delays, labor shortages, and issues with automation. Musk himself acknowledged the difficulties Tesla faced in building these massive factories and ramping up production. At one point, he famously described the process of scaling production as production hell. Despite these challenges, the Gigafactory concept has been incredibly successful in driving Tesla's expansion. Today, Tesla produces millions of electric vehicles each year, and with the help of the gigafactories, the company has been able to push the boundaries of production efficiency while keeping costs down, making electric vehicles more accessible to consumers. Elon Musk's leadership style. Elon Musk is known for his unconventional and at times controversial leadership style. He is often described as a visionary who challenges the status quo and is not afraid to take significant risks. Musk's hands-on, high-pressure approach has been both praised and criticized, but it has undoubtedly played a significant role in Tesla's success. One of the defining characteristics of Musk's leadership is his deep involvement in the technical and operational aspects of Tesla. Unlike many CEOs who focus on strategy and financial management, Musk is heavily engaged in the engineering and development of Tesla's vehicles and technologies. He is known for diving deep into the details of production, battery technology, and vehicle design, often working closely with engineers to troubleshoot problems and find solutions. Musk is also known for his high expectations. He demands excellence from his team and has pushed his employees to work long hours to meet aggressive deadlines. This high-pressure environment can be difficult for some, but it has led to rapid innovation and significant breakthroughs. Musk's relentless pursuit of perfection is a key reason why Tesla has been able to achieve what many thought was impossible. At the same time, Musk's leadership style is not without its controversies. He has been involved in several public feuds and has faced criticism for his communication style on platforms like Twitter. Musk's tendency to make bold, sometimes impulsive statements has led to moments of tension with investors, regulators, and the media. However, despite these controversies, Musk's leadership has been instrumental in driving Tesla's success. Another aspect of Musk's leadership is his focus on long-term vision. He is not concerned with short-term profits or the opinions of critics. Instead, Musk is singularly focused on achieving his larger goal of creating sustainable energy solutions for the world. This long-term approach has allowed Tesla to weather financial crises and industry skepticism and continue pushing forward with its mission. Pushing the boundaries of innovation. Tesla's success is built on innovation, and Elon Musk has consistently pushed the company to go beyond the confines of traditional automotive technology. Under his leadership, Tesla has expanded into new areas such as solar energy and energy storage, making the company much more than just an electric car manufacturer. In 2016, Tesla acquired SolarCity, a solar energy company co-founded by Musk's cousins. The acquisition allowed Tesla to expand its focus on renewable energy by combining electric vehicles with solar energy generation. Tesla introduced the Solar Roof, a product designed to replace traditional roofing materials with solar panels, and the Powerwall, a home battery system that stores solar energy for later use. This vision of a clean energy ecosystem combining solar power and electric vehicles has become a central part of Tesla's long-term strategy. Tesla's expansion into energy storage and solar technology shows how Musk has pushed the company beyond the electric vehicle market. His goal is to create a world where sustainable energy sources such as solar power can be harnessed and stored to power homes and businesses. Tesla's ability to combine electric vehicles with solar and energy storage systems positions the company as a key player in the broader clean energy revolution. Musk's vision doesn't stop with Earth either. Through his ventures like SpaceX and his long-term goal of making humanity a multi-planetary species, Musk envisions a future where Tesla's technologies will play a critical role in sustainable living even on other planets. Musk's broader vision for sustainability and innovation has been a driving force behind Tesla's continued growth and success. Global impact and market dominance. Tesla's rise from a small startup to an industry leader has had a profound impact on the global automotive market. Musk and his team have demonstrated that electric vehicles can be not only competitive with gasoline-powered cars, but in many ways, superior. Tesla has become synonymous with innovation in the electric vehicle space, and the company's success has sparked a transformation in the automotive industry as a whole. One of the most significant impacts of Tesla's success is the growing shift toward electric vehicles, EVs, across the globe. Tesla's achievements have forced traditional automakers to accelerate their own electric vehicle programs. Companies like Ford, General Motors, and Volkswagen have all committed billions of dollars to develop their own electric cars, and many are now racing to catch up with Tesla's advancements in battery technology, performance, and self-driving capabilities. Tesla's influence on the industry can also be seen in the rise of electric vehicle startups around the world. Companies like Rivian, Lucid Motors, and NIO are all competing in the EV market, pushing Tesla to continue innovating and improving its vehicles. Additionally, Tesla's success has brought about a shift in consumer attitudes toward electric vehicles. Once considered a niche market for eco-conscious individuals, electric cars are now seen as a viable option for anyone looking for a high-performance, cost-effective vehicle. Tesla's vehicles have played a key role in making electric cars desirable to a broad consumer base, paving the way for widespread adoption. Tesla's financial journey. Tesla's financial journey has been anything but smooth, and much of the company's success can be attributed to Elon Musk's ability to navigate through the financial challenges and risks associated with scaling a high-tech, high-investment company. From the brink of bankruptcy to achieving a market value in the hundreds of billions of dollars, Tesla's financial trajectory is a testament to Musk's resilience and his long-term vision. When Tesla was first founded, it struggled to secure funding. The company was often seen as a risky bet, and many investors were skeptical about the viability of electric cars. In its early years, Tesla's cash flow was unstable, and the company was burning through its capital at an alarming rate. Musk, however, was undeterred. He invested his own money into the company to keep it afloat, sometimes putting his personal financial future on the line to ensure Tesla's survival. At one point, Musk famously stated that he had to decide between funding his other ventures, such as SpaceX, or keeping Tesla alive. He chose the latter, investing millions of his own dollars into Tesla. Tesla's financial struggles were further compounded by production delays, difficulties with battery technology, and challenges in scaling manufacturing. Despite these challenges, Musk was always determined to ensure Tesla's success. He often found creative ways to fund Tesla's expansion. For example, the company received a $465 million loan from the U.S. Department of Energy in 2009, which provided much-needed funds during the global financial crisis. This was a crucial turning point for Tesla and helped the company avoid collapse. In 2013, Tesla hit a significant milestone when it posted its first-ever profitable quarter. This was a sign that the company was finally gaining traction in the marketplace. Tesla's financial performance continued to improve over the next few years, fueled by the success of its Model S sedan and growing demand for electric vehicles. In 2020, Tesla became the world's most valuable automaker by market capitalization, surpassing long-established companies like General Motors and Toyota. Despite the volatility and challenges, Tesla's stock price has surged in recent years, making Elon Musk one of the richest individuals in the world. Musk's ability to continually reinvest in Tesla, coupled with his unwavering belief in the company's mission, has been key to Tesla's financial success. Elon Musk's journey with Tesla is a remarkable tale of perseverance, innovation, and a relentless pursuit of a better future. From the early days of skepticism to becoming the world's most valuable automaker, Musk has defied the odds to transform Tesla into a leader in the electric vehicle industry. His vision for sustainable energy and clean transportation has pushed the boundaries of what was once thought possible. And Tesla's success serves as a testament to the power of audacious goals and unwavering determination. Musk's leadership and personal sacrifices have been instrumental in Tesla's growth, and his ability to navigate financial crises, technological challenges, and production scaling has set the company on a path to continued success. Despite the numerous obstacles Tesla has faced, the company remains at the forefront of the electric vehicle revolution, and its impact on the automotive industry is undeniable. As Tesla continues to innovate, expand its portfolio, and drive forward with its mission to accelerate the world's transition to sustainable energy, Musk's legacy will likely be remembered as one of the most influential and transformative stories in the history of modern business. And that wraps up the incredible journey of Elon Musk and Tesla. If you enjoyed this deep dive into Tesla's history and Elon Musk's incredible journey, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss out on more inspiring stories of innovation and success. We've got plenty of exciting content coming your way that you won't want to miss. Also, let us know in the comments what part of Elon Musk's journey impressed you the most. And do you think Tesla will continue leading the charge in the electric vehicle revolution? We'd love to hear your thoughts. Thanks for watching, and remember, the future belongs to those who dare to dream big. See you in the next video.